As you're singing this song, have Jesus on your heart. If you don't, you will not make progress. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Be conscious of Jesus. Guard it. All right? It doesn't pay you to open your eyes and look at anybody when you are singing, when you are praying. Lift your voice and say, I love you, Jesus. I will see you more clearly, and I love you more dear, and I follow you more nearly, day by day. Shout it to him, I will see you, and I love you. Oh my God! Follow you more nearly. Shout it again, I will see you. My lover, Lawrence, we follow you. I will follow you, Jesus, every day. Shout it again, I will see you. Lover, lover, I will love you, I will love you. I will follow. Amen. Sisi sale adijije shout it again to see. Emusitita elaele mebole eva. You are calling, now we answer to see you. I will love you, I will love you, I will love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. I will see. I will love you. I will follow you. Beware of distraction. All right? Are you hearing what I'm saying, Manuel? Anybody else, not you. Beware of distraction. Beware of distraction. Nations are waiting for your wine. Please don't let them wait in vain. This year must not pass. Some of you, this is your final chance. After now, somebody will wear that garment they've been waiting for you to wear. If you love yourself, please don't waste these 10 days. Jesus, please have mercy. Have mercy. Don't let it jump this person I'm seeing. Please. Let another time pass over him. Please. He will cooperate. Let him hear what he should hear. Online and offline. I cast out devils of distraction. I rebuke spirits assigned to your matter. Spirits sitting on your matter. We will love Jesus. Lift your voice everywhere and declare, Father, by all means, get through to my spirit. By all means, by all means, by every means, get through to me. Lift your voice and tell him that. Lord, don't tell me I'm not listening. You are able. I give you permission by every means necessary. Get through to me. Get through to me. Speak in a language I will understand. Let your voice be loud and clear. By all means, get through to me. Help him. Jesus, have mercy. Please have mercy. Please have mercy. Have mercy. Have mercy. Show mercy, please. You reveal to redeem. Please have mercy. Show mercy. Please show mercy. Please. Please. I know. Please. Please. Still show mercy. After now, no problem. Just another chance. Please show mercy. Show mercy on this person. Please show mercy. Show mercy. Show mercy. Show mercy. Jesus' name.